Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an Amazon return. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you started a return with Amazon, but you want to go ahead and cancel that return. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your Amazon account, then highlight where it says returns and orders and click on that. Now go ahead and find the item which you want to go ahead and return. So in our case, our item is actually on page 3. And then when you find the item that you want to go ahead and return, click on view return/refund status, and then click on edit return. And then here's where you're going to click on cancel return. Afterwards, click on cancel return again, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel return on the Amazon. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.